Let's go the hardest. What you think we came here for? What you think we came here for? To win. Win or go home. Or go home. Win or go home. Or go home. Win or go home. Go home. What you think we came here for? We just getting started. Let's go the hardest. We just getting started. Let's go the hardest. When the lights come on, it's time for the main action. When the dogs come out, we focus with no distractions. Big play on this.